Non-fungible tokens, NFTs, are gradually gaining popularity not only within the virtual currency industry but globally, especially in the sphere of art. Many people earn a lot of money from these tokens, both collectors and the creators. Are you an artist? Then you also have the opportunity to earn. This video will reveal the benefits that digital artists gain from creating NFT art. It also provides a step-by-step guide to make NFT art and answers to frequently asked questions you may have about the emerging industry. If you watched our previous videos, you know that non-fungible tokens are digital assets built on blockchain technology that represent various rare and unique items, like virtual real estate, digital pieces of art, collectible sport cards, and many more. And if you still don't know what NFTs are, check out our channel. There is a lot of useful information concerning the crypto sphere. So, why should digital artists consider creating NFTs? First, lifetime royalties. Artists do not only make money from selling their digital art tokens one time, but can keep earning from them as long as those tokens exist. You can program royalties into your digital artwork, and this allows you to receive a percentage of sales profit anytime the artwork is sold to a new user. The percentage programmed into the artworks can range from 2.5% to 10%, and this ensures that you receive interest on lifetime resales of the NFT art. Secondly, this sort of sale is cheaper to set up. Since the NFT art sale is conducted online through various peer-to-peer marketplaces to a global audience, you do not have to spend money on auction houses and art galleries. This allows you to keep a significant portion of the profit made from sales. Finally, NFTs are verifiable and authentic. Although anyone can view your digital artwork token, link to it, or even download it, it is only owned by a single person at a time. Once it is entered into the blockchain, it gets an unmistakable certificate of authenticity because the creator, purchase price, and subsequent owner's addresses and acquisition prices are visible and staying in the blockchain. That ensures a level of market transparency that has never existed in the traditional art world. At the same time, you should keep in mind that no one can guarantee the success of your NFT collection. Without proper marketing efforts and promotion, your tokens may stay in the shadow of well-advertised NFTs. We will also discuss the risks of NFTs at the end of this video. Okay, the benefits and drawbacks are clear. Now let's find out how you can make NFT art on your own. Here is a detailed step-by-step guide. How to make NFT. Choose a platform. First, select an NFT marketplace. This is the very first step to creating your NFT artwork. There are two categories of these peer-to-peer marketplace that you can choose from. They are, first of all, curated platforms. This NFT marketplace category allows only authorized artists to mint or create digital art tokens. They are mainly focused on high-quality digital art tokens, not just simple and low-quality collectibles. Platforms like Super Rare and NFT Stars are curated NFT marketplaces. For example, NFT Stars requires artists to undergo a verification procedure. However, once they are approved, they can sell NFT without commission. All fees are covered by the buyer. Super Rare also requires artists to go through an application process before they can start selling on the platform. There are compulsory service charges after auctioning your NFT for both the digital artist and collector. It includes a 15% service charge on your first sale and a subsequent 10% service charge on recurring sales. All in all, many curated platforms usually have higher transaction fees and lower flexibility on the royalty percentages. But at the same time, you can expect higher appreciation of your work, and you can try to collaborate with platforms to promote your name in the digital art industry. The second type is self-service platforms. This category of the peer-to-peer marketplace allows everyone to create their NFT with whatever they like. So you can make yours with either a photo, a video, or an audio file. It also allows you to set whatever percentage of royalty you would like to charge for each token sale. Platforms like OpenSea and Rarible fall under this category. One risk associated with this category of NFT marketplace is that there are usually too many speculators and fraudsters. Once you have selected the marketplace, the next step you want to use and open an account with it. It is time for the next step: set up a digital wallet. You will need it because cryptocurrencies like Ethereum are needed in the NFT creation process. So far, the majority of NFTs are created on the Ethereum blockchain. The ETH is used to pay the gas fee, the Ethereum blockchain transaction cost before listing any token you have made. If you plan to operate on major marketplaces like OpenSea, you should always have some Ethereum in your wallet to be able to pay transaction fees. The cost of NFT minting or creation varies depending on the network load. It can be worth $20, but at peak times, the commission may reach $100 and even more. OpenSea usually recommends using the Google Chrome extension of the MetaMask. It supports different blockchains and cryptocurrencies, and you can purchase Ethereum right through its dashboard, or transfer it from your original wallet to the MetaMask wallet. Create your collection. If you would like to sell several pieces of your art, you need to create your collection first. It will serve as a store or gallery of your digital art. Customize your collection by entering a name for it, writing out the description, and uploading a display image. This creates the groundwork for you to display your artworks when you have created them. Create your NFTs. Once you have finalized your collection, it is time to enter into the primary process of creating your NFT. In your marketplace account, you will need to upload metadata, which includes visual files in supported formats. It can be picture, audio, and 3D files. Once the data is uploaded, give your token a name. You can choose to meet an unlimited number of tokens, but you do it one at a time. It is also important to note how many editions of the same token you want to create. Standalone token means that you can only create one copy of the particular digital art token, making it even more valuable. The edition tokens allow you to create as many copies of the same token as you can. You only have to add the edition number to differentiate between each replica. Next, you can add properties, levels, and stats where relevant, as they enable the buyers who are exploring your collection to filter your artwork. Properties can be something like the data you created the token. Once you have added all the necessary details, including social links, updated image, description, and name, click Create to add your NFT to the blockchain. And this step would require is to pay for approval and gas fees. The next one, set up payment details. Next, you can choose the payment tokens that you would like to accept for your digital art. You can also select the percentage of royalty to receive on the secondary sales of your artwork. The next thing to do is to list your NFT for sale. You can either choose a fixed price listing or auction and set your price. If it is your first time creating and selling an NFT, you will have to pay a gas fee before listing your artwork. Okay, ready. Now your artwork is available for sale. What's next? Promote your work on social media. To create more chances of selling your work, you will need to build a substantial fan base. Therefore, you need to share your direct link to potential buyers and promote your artwork to fans on social media to help them discover it. Now it's time to answer a few commonly asked questions to help you through the process of NFT creation. Can you create NFT art without coding? You can create your NFT art without writing any code. The step-by-step video guide provided above is a typical example of creating a digital art token without coding. Such platforms as OpenSea do not require any programming or coding skills. Everything is done seamlessly on blockchain. Besides, some NFT platforms also provide a guide on how to create your NFT, and you will probably be able to do as long as you can use the internet. Are NFTs cryptocurrencies? While NFTs are a type of cryptographic token, they are quite different from cryptocurrencies. This difference occurs because they are not interchangeable. Cryptocurrencies can be exchanged for each other at the same value. For instance, one Bitcoin can be interchanged with another Bitcoin without reducing or increasing the value. But you cannot exchange a non-fungible token for another at the same rate. No two NFTs are the same, even if they are from the same pack. Are there any risks associated with NFTs? Yes, there are a few risks for both collectors and artists. As an NFT creator, you should be aware of high gas fee rates. Sometimes the rate charged for the transaction on the Ethereum blockchain can get very high, which will simultaneously affect the price of the NFT. Also, keep in mind that you might not make sales as soon as you create your NFTs. Your artwork might be lost in the vast majority of other artworks, and you will need to work hard to bring them to the attention of collectors. It would also be best to have a large fan base to sell your tokens for large sums of money. So work on your name. It is very important in such a competitive industry. Where can I buy and sell NFTs? Unlike cryptocurrencies, NFTs are not traded in exchanges. However, they can be bought and sold on various peer-to-peer marketplaces that we have mentioned. Popular examples include OpenSea, Rarible, SuperRare, Maker's Place, and NFT Stars. That's it for today, guys. Now you know how to create your own NFTs and monetize your digital art. If you have any questions left, don't hesitate to ask them in the comments below. If this video was useful for you, hit the like button, turn on notifications, and subscribe. See you!